Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Anindita and my channel name is Beauty and Lifestyle by Anindita. I generally talk about Modi Care products. I also talk about other brands, beauty products, baby care products, and I also talk about things which are related to our lifestyle. Like I talk about how you can improve your English speaking, how you should go for an interview, how you should dress up for an interview, stuffs like that. I do give tips about how you can improve your fluency, grammar, everything in English. Right, so today I'll talk about a Modi Care product which is not very old in the market. They have recently launched it. This is called Red Obsession. This is the product and it's a lovely outer packaging. The outer packaging is actually you know like it's 100 out of 100 I would give. Packaging is really wonderful, this lovely mesmerizing rose picture, and on that they have this matte finish. Here they have written fruit of the earth. And if you can see, if you can I always say that camera does not do justice. The packaging is really wonderful, guys. And after I got this product, I kind of kept on looking at it. I just love the packaging, guys. And this is called Hydra Nourish Scrub with goodness of rose, grape and kiwi fruit waters, green tea, aloe vera and nourishing oils. So this is pretty much it. These are the main ingredients. Apart from that, guys, if you want to know more about the ingredients present in this product, you can just turn it on, guys. This is the list. Huge, isn't it? History, geography, chemistry, everything about this product is mentioned over here. Jokes apart, if you want to know about the ingredients, these are the ingredients, guys. This is the list. This much is mentioned over here. Sorry for my nail polish, guys. I simply did not have time to put something new and clean the old one. So much I was into my office work, then children and all. My daughter's exam was going on, so kind of it was my exam too. I had to prepare her, so I did not get time for myself this week. Okay, anyways, so guys, this is the ingredients list, which is really huge, guys. It's so big. But guys, I love the transparency. If you want to know, like if you are going to buy a product, you're investing your hard earned money, and obviously will apply that on your face. So this much transparency is something we can expect, right, from a brand. You might see there are many brands in the market who will hardly mention all the ingredients. They simply say it's an Ayurvedic product, it's a herbal product, it's this, it's that. But if you just take a look, most of the ingredients name would be missing from them. Don't buy them. You might end up saving 50 rupees or even 100 rupees, but you will pay for this. I'm telling you, those products are not good for your skin. Otherwise, they wouldn't have hidden their ingredients. But this particular product and all the Modi Care products will give the ingredients list like this. If you want to know more about them, put them in Google. You can get to know what the products do, how they work, everything about them. Okay, now this is a very nice and skin friendly scrub, I would say. This is neither too harsh not too mild. So this product is meant for all skin types. Most of the Modi Care products are meant for all skin types. However, people who have sensitive skin can also use it. I would only suggest if you have a very sensitive skin. Like my skin is extremely sensitive, super sensitive, I use it just twice a week. If you have, like me, like pimple prone skin, do not use it more than twice a week. Then you might have some skin irritation. Otherwise, it's completely safe. Ingredients are listed. This is meant for all skin types. This is basically water based, and it's a lovely scrub, guys. The packaging is like this. I mean, the actual product packaging is like this reminds me of Borolin. Sorry, people who use Borolin, will understand that this tube looks like Borolin tube, right? Borolin has this kind of tube with this kind of cap, and just that the color is different. But this product looks really awesome, very pretty. It seems that it's meant for a girl only, isn't it? I'll just show you how the texture is, guys. This is how it is. This is how it is, guys. I'll show you how the granules look. I don't know how much I can show you guys. This is really well, you can hardly see the granules, right? Actually, it does not have much granules, it's not that harsh. Okay, that's the reason why I'm saying, even if you have a sensitive skin, you can still use it. This will not really cause any kind of burning sensation or any kind of rash or irritation, anything. It's really mild, and it's a fantastic product, guys. Just rub your face clockwise, anti-clockwise, and wash it with plain water, and you are done. This will help you retain your natural glow. This will help you clean your dead skin, dead cells, and that way you will be able to prevent aging. No one on earth can actually work against nature. We cannot really prevent the signs of aging, but yes, if you take care of yourself continuously, then you can perhaps slower down the aging, right? The aging process. Yeah, so yes, that's all for today, guys. Okay, I forgot to tell you the pricing and all. Now this is okay. Yeah, there you go. You can keep this one for 2 years. I blotted while I was sanitizing. I just did a spray, and after wiping it, things were kind of this blotted. So it retails for 399 rupees, and it is 50 grams packaging, 50 grams product. It might sound pricey, guys, but if you join Modi Care, then you get it with a very good discount. Another thing is, you need very little. You don't really have to take a huge amount to get the effect. Just take like how a peanut looks, or how a green peas looks, that much only. This much is only needed, and then you can apply it all over your face and neck, and you are done for the day. This will actually help you in maintain the glow of your skin. And like I just said, you can use it at least twice a week, once a week, or if your skin is not so sensitive, every day you can also use it. So with that, I'll end today's video, guys. If it has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you really like my videos, hit the bell icon. You will get the notifications of all my upcoming videos. And yes, I'm a Modi Care consultant. If you want to join Modi Care through me, you can put in the comment section also. I will help you. I will surely make you join Modi Care. And if you have any Modi Care consultant nearby, you can also contact that person to get joined to Modi Care. Okay, so thank you once again, guys. I love my subscribers. Please do subscribe me, stand by me. I need your support. Thank you once again for watching my video. Always stay beautiful, always stay gorgeous and confidence. And to maintain your confidence, don't forget to take care of yourself, no matter what you do, no matter where you are. Just carry these kind of things. These are travel friendly, guys. Not just this product, almost all the products of Modi Care are travel friendly. So just keep it in your handbag, a small tube, or if you have small dabbas, something which is left, I mean the thing is used and the dabbas are left, small dabbas, small quantity, carry them if you are going anywhere also. Don't ever compromise on your skincare. Always take care of yourself, eat healthy food, and your skin will keep glowing. So yeah, with that, I'll end today's video, guys. Just stay gorgeous, beautiful, and take care of yourself. Bye bye.